The memonizer-COMBI central builds up the active field over all subsequent power lines and devices connected to them, regardless of the type of installation shown below. Make sure that the installation surface is free of dust and grease. For installation, remove the carrier film and attach the memonizer-COMBI as centrally as possible to the top or from the front of the main fuse box and press it firmly on. And done. Use the additional shielding cardboard if the memonizer-COMBI should protrude over the main fuse box. Make sure that the installation surface is free of dust and grease. For installation, remove the carrier film and attach the memonizer-COMBI as centrally as possible to the appropriate place above, below, or on the side of the electricity meter and press it firmly on. That's it. Use the additional shielding cardboard if the memonizer-COMBI central should protrude over the electricity meter or if there is another electricity meter opposite the memonizer-COMBI.